I'll go to elements, and as you can see, I have chosen this image for my design, and I will make it bigger like this. Okay, and after that I will click on BG remover. So as you can see, the background is removed, and after that I will click on edit. Scroll down to find filters, click on see all, and scroll down to find slate effect, click on it, and after that go to back, click on adjust, and increase slightly the brightness, slightly the contrast, and increase the blacks a bit, and decrease the shadows. Okay, like this. And after that scroll down to find the clarity and increase it. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that just go to back, and after that I will go to text and click on add a heading, and here I am using a imaginary name which is Dave Richarlison. And for this I will write first the Dave here, and the font I will change to Knoxville. Okay, so I'll click on it. Okay, and I will bring it here and make it size bigger. Let's see with 144. So I will increase it a bit. Let's make it to 164. Okay, so this one looks good, and just decrease the spacing a bit with the latest spacing like this, and just place it right here and just duplicate it here, right, Richarlison, and just make it bigger. Okay, and after that I will just duplicate it, bring it right here in the same line, and I will just break the text here like reach or then ison. Okay, and after that I will decrease the line spacing here, bring it right here, and after that I will make this text a bit gray color, so like this, and I will just duplicate it and place it right below it. Again duplicate it, keep on duplicating until it reaches here. Okay, so like this, and after that here in the small I will write the full name, which is Dave Richarlison. Okay, and I will just make it smaller like 32 and just place it right here. Okay, and I will click on the image, right click it, go to layer and bring to front. Okay, and this alignment is done. After that I will go to elements, and here I will choose this shape and just cover one eye, and change it to the red color, make it a brighter red, and just decrease the transparency so that the eyes are visible. Now go to elements and choose this line and choose the same red color, and make sure the transparency of this is also same. So I will check the transparency, which is 77, and make it also same. Okay, and just increase the stroke style, which is stroke weight, to 12. Okay, and just bring it right here, rotate it to 90 degrees like this, and just place it here. Hold on to shift and decrease the size. and bring it right here and like this. Okay, and hold on to shift, bring it here and also bring it here, duplicate, and after that just duplicate again, rotate it to 180 and place it right here, and also duplicate once again and bring it beneath. Here in the lower part I will again add a text, add a heading, and here I will write work smart not hard. Okay, and I will again use this left alignment and just decrease the spacing here, and I will here go and use this font as horizon. Okay, and change the color to same red color, and here also the transparency will be 77. Okay, and again I will go to effects. Here I will use this lift and intensity to 100. Okay, and just make it smaller and place it right here. And so our design is ready. Hope you like this tutorial, and this is a very easy tutorial for you, and you can try it for your own designs.